Hi. Welcome to The Meditation Way. Before watching this video about meditation, don't forget to subscribe for more free videos about meditation. So now let's start. What are some types of meditation? Meditation is a process by which an individual utilizes a certain technique such as meditation, mindfulness, or concentrating the mind on a specific thought, emotion, or physical sensation to train mind and attention, and achieve a state of mentally calm and psychologically stable state. There are many different types of meditation, which range from simple meditation practices to more complex and complicated methods. In a simple example of a meditation, an individual may meditate by sitting in a comfortable place and thinking of a number of different things, such as the ocean or the sky, the sun, the rain, the birds, or anything else that interests the individual. This is called meditation, and this meditation can be performed with the help of a friend or family member. However, it is also possible for an individual to perform a self-meditation by sitting and thinking of something in his or her mind. A self-meditation can help to relax and relieve stress and tension, as well as improve a person's mood. Some individuals find this to be an excellent means of developing self-awareness and insight, which are one of the primary goals of meditation. The most common type of meditation is called contemplation, in which an individual is allowed to stare at the ceiling while repeating a phrase or sentence to himself or herself. The phrase can include a spiritual belief or a religious saying, a mantra, or an affirmation. While doing this, an individual may hear an inner voice, which may say, "I am here to help you with your problems," or "You are worth it." Another type of meditation is called quiet reflection, which allows an individual to sit quietly for a few minutes. After the meditation, the individual may repeat a phrase to himself or herself, such as, "When I was a child, my mother would say," or "I would hear my teacher speak." Other phrases that can be used to induce meditation are, "I will open my heart to receive love from the world," or "I will feel peace all throughout." Another type of meditation is called mediation. In this form of meditation, an individual focuses on the breathing pattern of his or her body and the environment surrounding them. Some people who meditate do this so that they can connect to their own breath, which helps to control their emotions and bring balance into their lives. Meditation can also involve sitting and focusing the mind and body, and concentrating on specific aspects of life, such as the sound of running water, the sound of an animal or bird singing, and more. It can also be performed by simply sitting and imagining the thoughts of things like a lake or forest, a flower, a hill, a house, a flower, or anything else. A few individuals who practice meditation find that meditation helps to eliminate or remove negative thoughts from their minds, and enables them to focus on positive thoughts. These are some of the different forms of meditation practice. As mentioned above, each individual may find different levels of meditation helpful and effective in his or her own way. Yoga is an example of a form of meditation that an individual may choose to engage in. Yoga involves the physical, mental, and emotional aspects of an individual's being. This form of exercise has been known to allow for the person to become fully aware of his or her mind, body, and spirit. There are many other forms of meditation out there. One popular form of meditation involves being able to control one's breathing while at the same time, being able to control one's emotions. Some individuals even meditate to increase one's ability to focus and concentrate. This form of meditation is sometimes done while sitting in a chair and concentrating on a single object, or word, or object. Another popular form of meditation is called visualization. This form of meditation involves visualizing and imagining certain things, such as the world around them, such as a mountain, an ocean, a beach, a beautiful garden, or even a beautiful sunset. Person, a tree, or a beautiful place in the country. The idea is to allow one's mind to wander through time, allowing it to take in every detail. This form of meditation allows for the person to gain clarity of thought and become more focused on a single thing, person, object, place, or experience. No matter what type of meditation an individual chooses to perform, it is important for the individual to keep in mind that he or she must set goals when learning how to meditate. These goals will enable the individual to have the ability to make a conscious decision about what the individual needs to achieve when learning meditation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video for more about meditation.